A crispy Mediterranean salad made with fresh pita bread with a base of fresh lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, radish, drizzled with a delicious lemon garlic dressing. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh and crisp Mediterranean salad called Fattoush. First, cut one pita bread in 1-inch squares. The oil is hot. Add pitas and cook on low flame. The pita crisps are ready. The color is golden brown and the pitas are crispy. Remove the pita crisps from the oil onto a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Now let's mix all the ingredients for the fattoush dressing. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Squeeze 1 whole lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add 1 teaspoon sumac powder for a little spice. 1 teaspoon of pomegranate molasses for a sweet and tangy flavor. 5 to 6 leaves of chopped mint, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for texture and nutrients to the salad. Whisk till combined. Our salad dressing is now ready. We'll keep it aside. Now combine all the salad ingredients to a large mixing bowl. 4 to 5 large leaves of salad, 1 diced tomato, 1 diced cucumber, 1 diced onion, 1 thinly sliced radish for extra flavor and crunch. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and gently toss until evenly combined. The salad is well combined with the dressing. Time to plate. Garnish the salad with pita crisps. Finally, drizzle with a balsamic glaze. The fattoush is now ready to be served. The beautiful textures and flavors complementing the meze platter or a great side dish with grilled barbecues. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.